thermal packs are a wonderful low-cost way to help speed the healing after surgery or an injury. The first thing I do is cold therapy or cold packs, and that's for the first 2 to 3 days after surgery or an injury. You can do that by taking crushed up ice in a Ziploc baggie. You can also put lentils or rice in a clean tube sock or a bag. But also what I like to use is frozen vegetables. These are purple whole peas. And you just put them in there for a couple hours. They'll be nice and cold, but there's moisture on the bag. And so if you've just had surgery on, say, your knee, you don't want to put a wet bag on top of a fresh incision. And so you take just a light paper towel to keep that moisture away from getting on the incision, and then wrap it, because this is nice and bendable, around where they just had surgery. Use cold therapy for the first couple of days, 2 to 3 days. It will decrease inflammation, speed the healing process, and dampen any swelling or edema that they have in the surgical leg. The dog should be laid restful like this, very recumbent, very relaxed. You don't want to cause any tension or stress after this. But very helpful, very easy to do at home to make your dog or cat heal faster. So starting 2 to 3 days after surgery, after we're finished with the cold packs, then it's time to start warm packs by using a hot microwaved wet towel and put it in a Ziploc baggie, or using lentils or rice like we did before. You can put them in the microwave. It's just important when you're making a hot pack to test it on the inside of your arm to make sure it's not too hot for you. If it's too hot for you, it's too hot for them. But by doing the warm pack, starting a few days out from surgery and then continuing out 5 to 7 days, you'll increase their comfort and speed the healing by bringing in that good blood flow to the surgical site. Just like with the cold packs, you don't want to put a hot pack right on the leg. And so wrapping it just in a paper towel to cover it from touching the incision is the way to do it. And then wrapping it and molding it around the leg. And both of these, the cold and the hot packs, you want to keep on the leg for about 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day.